जय शिवराय, जय शंभूराजे. Today 18 August.
जय शिवराय, जय शंभूराजे. 18 August 1945, India lost one of its most courageous and visionary leaders, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. According to reports, Netaji died from several third-degree burns after the Japanese bomber in which he was traveling crashed during takeoff from Taikou Airport in Japanese Formosa, present-day Taiwan. He was being accompanied as a guest of a Lieutenant General Tsumasa Shades of the Imperial Japanese Kwantingu Army. This tragic incident marked the end of a fearless journey dedicated to India's freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose was not just a leader, he was a revolutionary force who believed in achieving independence through action and sacrifice rather than waiting passively. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Netaji strongly believed that freedom could only be won through a determined struggle. His famous call, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," ignited the fire of patriotism among countless Indians. He organized the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army, bringing together thousands of Indian soldiers with the dream of marching into India and overthrowing British rule. Though the military campaign could not succeed due to various international crepuscules, the spirit and courage of Netaji shook the very foundations of British confidence in ruling India. The news of his death in 1945 came as a shock to the nation. For many years, debates and doubts surrounded the circumstance of his passing. Yet one truth remained unquestionable: Netaji's dedication and sacrifice for India's independence made him immortal in the hearts of every Indian. Today, as we remember 18th August, we do not just mourn his loss, but also celebrate the life of a leader who dared to dream of a free India when it seemed impossible. His ideas of courage, selflessness, and nationalism continue to inspire generations. Netaji's death was not the end of his journey. It has the beginning of his internal legacy. The fire he lit still burns in the spirit of a modern India, reminds us that the true freedom demands both sacrifice and unity. The 18th of August will always remain as a solemn day in Indian history. On this day, we remember the passing of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, but more importantly, we honor his vision of a strong, independent and self-reliant India. His life continues to guide us toward patriotism and national building.
Jai Hind!
Vande Bharat. Jai Bhavani. Thank you.